Namaste learners, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Apex Research Private Limited, your one-stop destination for project guidance, report writing and all your IGNOU need. In today's video, we will discuss one of the most important project under the Masters of Art in Environmental Science, MEVS program. The project code would be MEVP-12. Whether you are just starting your project work or preparing your final report, this video will help you understand the structure, key components and step-by-step process to complete your MEVP-12 successfully. So stay tuned till the end because we will also share some expert tips to make your project stand out. So I'm just taking you to the guideline of MEVS project. The project code would be MEVP-12. Okay, so I'm just taking you the most important things from the guidelines so that you can understand the relevant things which are important while making your proposal and the project. So this is table of content. We'll just start the video with the first topic. Let's okay, now I'm just going to begin the video with the project proposal, the process of making project proposal, the step involved in the project work. So first you have to select the topic and suitable project supervisor. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is selecting a topic and suitable project supervisor. Okay, the second thing is prepare the project proposal in consultation with the project supervisor. Okay, you have to make the proposal in the consultation with the supervisor so that if you have any issue with your topic or proposal, the supervisor can guide you with this. Submit the project proposal along with the necessary documents to the coordinator of your program study center. Okay, so now you have to submit the proposal after making it with necessary documents. So necessary documents with the proposal would be the performa and the biodata of your guide for the project. Okay, and with the synopsis you have to submit it. You can submit it at your study center at the office of coordinator. Okay, program coordinator. Receipt of the project approval from coordinator of your program study center. You have to take the receipt after getting the approval. Okay, carry out the project work. So in this way you can get the approval and go for the project work. Now let's talk about type of project. Okay, the project work constitutes a compulsory components of program and you should carry out with due care of sincerity. It gives you opportunity to apply your knowledge to solve environmental problems. You are advised to choose a project which has a direct relevance to your day-to-day activities. Okay, so in this kind of project work you can take for your dissertation work. Now let's talk about the supervisor. What would be the qualification of your supervisor for MEVS project? Okay, the IGNOU academic counselor, he has to be IGNOU academic counselor and learner support center at learner support centers for MA environmental studies program with relevant experience. Okay, the qualification would be teacher, researcher, environmental science, environmental studies, related discipline, and PhD in environmental science, environmental studies, related discipline with 2 years of teaching experience or research experience, or MSc in environmental science, environmental studies, related disciplines with 5 years of teaching experience in it. So basically the supervisor must be qualified. Qualified means he must be holding PhD degree with 5 years of related experience. Okay, now faculty at the IGNOU headquarters, interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary studies. So these are the qualification of your supervisor you can select. Okay, now let's move towards Okay, these are the responsibilities. You can generally understand that the supervisor guides you for your dissertation work. So these are the supervisor's responsibilities. Okay. Now I'm taking you to the most important project proposal formulation. Okay. The After finalizing the topic, you should prepare the project proposal in consultation with your project supervisor. Your project proposal should be approximately 1500 words, and it should be including the following. So in 1500 words you have to make your proposal, and it should have title of the project, okay, introduction on objectives of the project, what are the objectives of your research work, you have to write. After introduction, you have to write the methodology and tools to be used while doing the project. What is methodology? The methodology is a process through which you're gonna collect your data, analyze your data. You have to write all those things in the form of research design, sample technique, nature and source of data, either primary data or secondary data. And then after, you have to write a data collection tool, and you have to write the data analysis techniques. Okay, so these things has to be mentioned in methodology. Scope of the work you have to write. Okay, future direction and perspectives you have to write at the end. Okay, you have to provide the reference or bibliography at the last if you want. Now, submission of the project proposal. I already told you that after making it, you have to here it is written, after preparing the proposal, you should submit the proposal along with a project proposal pro forma, duly filled and signed by you as well as your project supervisor, to the coordinator of your program study center. Okay, you must retain a photocopy of complete project proposal. Now, uh, the next important thing is project report. Okay, after getting the approval for your synopsis, you can go ahead and make your project report. Okay, so I'm just showing you the components that your project report must have. Your project should be made in 7,000 to 8,000 words. Okay, approximately this will go around 80 to 100 pages. Okay, and it must be containing table of contents first, introduction of the project, okay, objectives, methodology. I already told you, survey data, tools and techniques has to be mentioned over there, okay, in methodology. And in results, after collecting the data with the data collection techniques, you have to represent your analysis here. The results you have to write here through tables and graphs. Okay, and after doing these results, you have to go to analysis and interpretation of the results. You have to write you have to write the results in an analytical and an interpreting way, so that the representation of your results and data would be uh, clearly visible by your supervisor. Okay, now after doing all these things, you have to write the conclusion and your own words, and the conclusion must be concluding all the analysis you have made in the research work. Okay, now you have to recommendations. Recommendation are the suggestions that you may give after doing your research. Okay, now you have to write the summary of your project work. Okay, in summary, you have to write all those things that you have to use in your research work in a short form, so that the observer or somebody who's reading it can understand the research work in a short time. Okay, now the bibliography. What is the bibliography? You have to give the references or the source of the data you have taken from. You can write under bibliography. Okay, and in appendices you can write questionnaires if you have used any questionnaire, or any tool for your data analysis, you can write under appendices. Okay, so this was all the thing about proposal and project report. Okay, so this is I think I already have shared so many things about okay, now after making the project report, you should submit one bound copy of the original project report along with CD containing the soft copy of report in PDF formatted to the following address. Okay, this is the address you have to send your project report after making it and after the approval. Okay, now I want to tell you that if you want detailed knowledge about how to make the project, you can read the guideline for one by one topic study. These for this annexures, I'm going to tell you, this is the performa of approval of project proposal. You have to attach this performa with your project proposal for approval. Okay, this is for project proposal, and these are some of the annexures that you have to attach with your project certificate. And after that, remuneration bill. This is not. Yeah, you can attach with the project work. Okay, so this was all the thing that I have shared about MEVES project, MEVP-12 project. And if you still have any query regarding this project, I'm definitely here to help you with this. You can write down in the comment box so that I can help you with it. Or if you don't want to do all these things and you want a customized project report, you can share your topic with us, or we can select a particular topic for you on which you're gonna make project for you. Okay, you can directly contact us through WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description as well as in the title of this video. I hope this video helped you understand how to approach and complete your MEVP-12 project report for IGNOU. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates on project topics, report sample and Viva questions. You can also join us for WhatsApp group for personalized guidance. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. All the best for your MEVP-12 project. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.